Hello, this is Emily from Sailner 3D. This is my company. We're located in Zhuhai. We are sourcing manufacturing for full-color 3D printer in China. Do you want to get a mini version of yourself? Please come on and follow me. Now we are in front of our headquarters. Let's check our product and see how to make 3D figurines. First step, body scanning. Second, modeling. Third, let's see our printer. This model is mainly focused on figurine printing, include 7 materials inside. All models will be printed out by our full-color 3D printer. Here is my model. Is it exactly like me, right? Now we are already in our showroom. With a highly skilled team of professionals, we have become a leader in the field of industrial 3D printing technology for applications which include digital medical care, cultural and creative art design, industrial design, portrait fashion, and educational training. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.